At the very beginning, this is the first time that we're doing an open SAAC idea. Stop laughing. Basically what it was in years past, the coaches would just choose 2 representatives, and me and Andy got to talking over the summer, and really we didn't feel like that was fair. I feel like we felt like there was a lot of people that wanted to show up and maybe see what it's about and check it out. So everything that we're doing this year is going to be kind of a test, like a mock tryout, mock trial, whatever you want to call it. But Andy's going to go over the new structure, and just bear with her.
It's confusing.
All right, guys. I think it's important just to kind of address that this meeting is not going to be the same as others, as far as just kind of spitting out info to all of you to let you know what it's about before we begin making decisions and getting your input during meetings. But so as far as some of the kind of guidelines in the membership. To understand, we have a 3-tier system, which basically consists of the executive committee, which is the people that are sitting here, and then representative committee, the people that were standing up, and then open SAAC, which is you all. And some of your responsibilities as members to the open SAAC committee include regularly attending and actively participating in monthly SAAC meetings, reporting and discussing agenda items with team members, serving as a liaison between SAAC, team, coaches, and athletic department, receiving information about legislation and providing input relative to those concerns, and participating in leadership activities. This is a great organization to become involved and really reach out to the community and to other members of the university. And I really do appreciate you all being here tonight. I think it's a great chance for all of you to become more involved. So with that being said, I guess we'll turn it back over. Mr. Wells.
Hi. First off, I'm a little bit cold. I just got a cold tub, so forgive me if I keep shaking. But first off, SAAC used to be every Sunday at 7 o'clock, so now we changed it to Mondays at 7:30. And we understand that on Sundays it was really hard because people traveled and not a lot of people could make it out. So I think this is really a big opportunity, and we're able to take hold of it. Also, you being here does not mean that you're excused from tutoring. So please attend your tutoring sessions, and it does not mean that you're allowed to skip class or anything. And there will be points given, I think life skill points given for you being here, so that's okay. But if you have your tutor session to go to, SAAC is not responsible for that. And yeah, that's about it.
All right, so like Amy said, usually the format of the open SAAC meetings isn't going to be quite like tonight. Tonight we're going to try to go over everything that's new and what's going to go on. So normally when you would come to the next SAAC meeting, the open SAAC meeting, we would start out with an icebreaker. And then we'll try to do a campus connection with just different student organizations around campus to come and talk to us, to get us more involved with everyone else and not just stay in our little athlete world. And then we'll try to do a main event and just try to have you to be able to take away something like different skills or anything to learn. And then we'll give you guys announcements, what's going on in the athletic department, any community service things you guys can join on and earn life skill points for. And we'll have an open floor where you guys can bring up anything to us that you guys have a problem with or want to change. And then that'll basically be it. And we'll have an overtime, like it says up there, where you can come and talk with us if you need anything else, or we'll have something else for you guys to do to take away another skill as well.
With that, she mentioned the icebreakers. We're going to go ahead and do an icebreaker right now. And if you want to explain what we're going to do.